one. We got one, James. We got one. Holy crap, we got one, man. We got one, James. Where? Look.
Lindsay, there's more that we need to shoot.
Yeah, they're attacking them. Look. Look, we got the big one. You see them attacking them all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, back up.
Okay, you gonna shoot them?
I already did. I already shot one, man. Look at them.
Yeah, we got. Why Big Tom's getting back up?
No, he's flopping.
Why?
Why? He's dead. Ready? Let's go get him. Ready?
Okay. Okay, we got the turkeys.
We got the turkeys, man.
We got a turkey.
Yep.
Because you
Okay.
got Autumn. There.
Mm-hmm.
We got a Big Tom. We got Big Tom.
Hey, what did we get?
We
Look
got
at me.
Big Tom.
Look at me. What did we get?
We got Big Tom.
We did.
Yeah, it's not flopping now.
No, we gotta hurry up.
Yeah, we're flopping now. The Big Tom.
Yeah,
Got a Big Tom.
we got Big Tom.
Yeah. Big Tom. Big Tom. We got the Big Tom.
What did we get?
We got Big Tom.
Okay, man, stay back. Let me get him.
Why?
Here, back up, because he might be still alive.
Yeah,
You hold the camera.
Okay.
All right, don't cover it up. Here, let me see.
We got Big Tom.
Yeah, he's still alive. Let me see your hands.
Okay.
Take your gloves off.
We got a really Big
All
Tom.
right, don't cover the camera up. Back up a little bit. There he is. Back up. There he is. Okay.
We got Big Tom. Got Big Tom, Dad.
Hey, we got Big Tom.
Yeah. Cause the other ones went the other way, and we just got one Tom. He's kind of look big. He's a huge boy.
He's a huge boy.
Yeah, the other ones were attacking him was the girls.
No, those were other boys.
What?
When the Big Tom, make sure video, get the camera out. Hey, when the Big Tom comes and he gets taken out, the other ones will take care of him. They come and tackle.
Oh, he's
Look, video it. Don't touch it. All right, man.
we got Big Tom. He's a big Tom.
Yeah, not the biggest beard, but hey,
What?
we got one.
We got a beard.
Hey, what did we get?
We got Big Tom.
We got Big Tom.
You got it.
Oh.
What? This is the steakhouse. Jim Alexander, and we got a turkey. It's super huge, and it's a Big Tom. The boss of every Tom ever, and we just got him. Have a good day. Bye.